Welcome to Sharing My Art. I intend to show you some step-by-step things on how to carve, maybe how to start a basket, maybe how to do something that you've been wondering your whole life. Gee, wonder how somebody starts that. Wonder what the steps are to get to the end product. My name is Sharon Elliott, and I'm a wood carver, and I've been carving for 30 years, since 1984. A friend of mine and I went to the Palm Springs Fair, and there were wood carvers there, and we stayed about 4 hours and ended up thinking we'd like to do that. So I got a knife and bought a little carving blank at the show and started to carve. And ever since then I've been teaching carving and carving myself. I still carve every day and still really like it. I took a class in basket making and with pine needles with my mother, and ever since then I've been teaching pine needle baskets. And so I've taught that for about 13 years. And then I took a gourd class here in Phoenix, where I live, and I've been teaching gourds and doing gourds for about 10 years now. But my big love is wood carving and watercolor painting. I just started painting with watercolors 4 years ago. I've sold 40 paintings, very happy. I like to paint flowers, cactus blossoms, funny animals, birds. So come along with me and enjoy learning step by step how to do some different art forms, and maybe you have something that you'd like to do the rest of your life. You never know what you can do till you try it.